All right, Elliot. What do you have there? What do you have there, honey?
I have there.
What's that? Huh? What's that called?
I like trucks.
What kind of truck is that you're holding?
I'm holding a bulldozer.
That's right. Do you have more bulldozers?
I have my steamroller.
Yeah, is that a steamroller?
I'm holding my steamroller.
Yeah. What does a steamroller do?
To put some dirt.
Yeah, does it help make roads? Yeah. It pushes things down so they're nice and compact. Nice and tight so that they can put the tops on the roads, right? Now, what's that big one in the back? What's that real big one in the back?
That big dump truck.
It's a dump truck. Is that your only dump truck you have?
Yeah.
Are you sure? That's the only dump truck you have? What about right next to it? You don't see any more dump trucks? Did you find the leaf? Well, tell us about the dump truck. What does it do?
It does to dump.
Yeah, what does it dump?
It dumps gravel.
Gravel. Does it dump dirt?
It's sand.
And sand. Okay.
And dirt.
Yeah. And boulders too, I'll bet. Right?
All of the balls.
All right. What about those two? What are those?
Oh, dump trucks.
Yeah, can you show them to the people watching the video?
They do to dump
Yeah.
and dump.
Yeah, that's a little one, huh? It's a whole family of dump trucks. Now, what about the big one over there? What's that one? What's that one called? We already saw the dump truck. Why don't you tell them what this one here does? And what's it called?
A backhoe it does to dig.
Yeah. How does it dig? Can you show people how it digs?
It digs like this.
Yeah. How about the other side? Ah. Now what are those buttons for?
For rolling.
What? It moves on its own. Cool. Oh, hey, and there's another dump truck. So you have 4 dump trucks, huh? It's a lot of dump trucks. How about...
Those buckets are up.
Yes, they are. Those buckets are up. Now, how about these right here? What are those?
Front end loaders.
Front end loaders. All right. That's a pretty big one right there. What do the buttons on that one do? Can you show them?
To do like that.
Oh, did you turn the sound off? What? That one moves too. Wow. The scoop goes down. That's pretty cool. Does the scoop go up too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does.
Okay. We don't get to see that one though, huh? Now how about this one? What's this one called?
A backhoe.
A backhoe. And show them what the other ones are. Tell them what all the other ones are.
A bulldozer.
Yeah, a bulldozer. And then this one is what?
The excavator.
An excavator. All right.
This Simulator is above the funny loader.
I see. Now come back over here. We're not done showing people. Now, what are these? Look at those two fellas.
Excavator.
Yeah? And then this one right here, what's this one?
Excavator.
Why don't you show them how that one works?
That one.
Show them how that one works with the buttons.
That one.
Show them.
That
Press the
one.
buttons and show them how it works.
It works like that.
Oh, it makes cool music. What's that do? I think your foot's in the way. There we go. Wow, the scoop goes up. That's so cool. And it goes down. And then if it were on a flat surface and not the carpet, it would be moving too, right? It moves back and forth when you press the buttons too, huh? All right. Is there anything you want to say about all of your trucks?
My truck. Oh, that excavator. And I'm gonna put them right here.
You're gonna put them all in a row now? Okay. Well, we're gonna stop the video. Can you say any final words about your trucks before we stop the video? What do you want to say about the trucks that you have?
Love trucks.
All right.